Hello everyone, Tom from KJP taking a quick look at our Honeybee's Natural Wood Cream. This is a soft paste wax and is made from beeswax and 100% food safe mineral oil. So as such, it's the perfect product for any of your projects that require a food safe, non-toxic finish. So if you're making wooden bowls or wooden spoons or charcuterie boards or cutting boards, cheese boards, any item that is in contact with food or that you're putting in your mouth, this is a perfect finish for that. It is a soft paste wax, so it's a very simple wipe on, wipe off process for applying it. And we do recommend that you apply this product maybe twice a year to keep your wooden product looking great, because it will add a luster. And of course it is also protective because it's a wax, there's a wax in there. It will repel water and moisture, so it'll keep your project not only looking good but protected. So thank you for watching, and please enjoy your woodworking.